Why Social X and why now?
Well, I got to tell you, Evelyn, I'm really excited because you just game changer right now. That book, wow. Um, you know, I helped bring mangosteen, the first commercial mangosteen product to market in the United States or in the Western Hemisphere in 2002. And largely the sales blew up because there was a book. And it was actually Dr. Templeman who wrote a book about mangosteen. And what's amazing is that Dr. Templeman has a great page in David's book about mangosteen and why he's so excited. But when we educated people about the mangosteen and then introduced them to a mangosteen product, it was a no-brainer. Everybody ordered, and of course, it became $1 billion product. What David just did for us with the credibility and having the endorsements, three different doctors in there. We've got the number one glutathione doc with Dr. Zinni. We got the number one mangosteen doc with Dr. Templeman. We've got another amazing doctor endorsing this book and this technology and wellness. Wellness matters. And now we can get it high speed nutrition. Glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. Mangosteen, an incredible antioxidant that's so much more with these xanthone molecules. The technology we have that delivers these nutrients in a way never been done before.
Correct.
And we have a book that explains it. And all you need to do is get that book in the hands of a customer, of a prospect. Guys, you need to all order it now. I sent out to my team. We've got a team store on Power Players team store on Amazon. I sent out to everybody just while David was talking, saying, we got to order it now because when we blow it up and it becomes a bestseller, all of a
Correct.
sudden everyone's hearing about it.
Yeah.
Social X has the most amazing technology, and we're so many more great things happening in the future. This book, Third Party Credibility, will educate your guests. We bring them the products that will change their life. They will tell the world, and that's how we become $1 billion company. So
Awesome.
thank you so much.
Awesome. Awesome, Collie.